Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we will learn a new concept that is on conversion rate. So how we can calculate that and what is the importance of it and what is the meaning of it. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to please click on subscribe and bell icon so that you'll get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find 190 plus videos on multiple topics which are related to quality analyst, team leader, trainers, operation team leader, operation managers, MS Excel dashboards, reports, Six Sigma certification, reporting with the help of Google Data Studio, Google Sheets. Many more videos are there that will help you in clearing out the interview very easily. Let's start today's concept that is on what is conversion rate in call center. We'll learn with the help of example. So what is the meaning of conversion rate? So in simple, I'll say suppose you are working with e-commerce, or else I can say you are working with a insurance or a credit card company, wherein you are taking call and you are asking customer to purchase the credit card. So what will happen? Suppose you take 20 calls per day. Out of all the 20 calls, approximately like 10 or 15 calls wherein customer will say that okay, we will see, we will purchase the credit card later, or might be they are not interested, or they will disconnect the call. There might be of five or more than that wherein they will for sure they will say that yes, they want to purchase a card. They will help you to understand all the information, and they will also fill all the required details, and on call you will book their credit card actually. So which means these are your pure leads, which means yes, you will earn a revenue for the company. Such kind of leads are known as conversion leads, and such kind of rates are known as conversion rate. So we can understand it very easily. We can take one more example, suppose you are working with a car company wherein people are calling you to purchase the car, okay, and you have attended the call, and wherein you guided the customer very sincerely, and he understood everything, and he told, I want to purchase the car. You also told them go to this particular showroom. Now the person went to the showroom and he purchased it, which means it's a pure lead for you. Okay, so this is all about the pure leads, which are like revenue generating leads or revenue generation portion. So that will help you in getting a successful customer rate. Okay, so let's see the definitions here. Your conversion rate in the call center is a percentage of call which is leading the result of the successful sale, which means the sale is done successful, you have generated the revenue. The conversion rate is also known as a pure leads. Impure leads, which means there might be a lump sum situation wherein the person want to purchase or not. And pure leads, yes, for sure the person is looking for the credit card or whatever it is, sales or anything. A low conversion rate increase your cost per lead and impact the company's overall revenue. It's fact, if the team is not able to generate a pure leads, definitely the client will not be happy, and you will not able to meet the required targets of the conversion rate. If that is not there, for sure there will not be a revenue. So without having the high conversion rate, your company will lose the potential customers as well. Yes, this is a fair point. And you can see like such kind of leads can be generated in multiple process like banking, online purchasing, website sales, insurance, etc. So in one line I can say turning more your visitor into the paying customer is known as the conversion rate. So this is the best definition you can see, and I hope you understood the theoretical definition. Let's move the formula. Conversion rate, which means call which gave revenue or successful sale divided by the total call handles. For an example, you are taking care of 50 calls, sorry, you are taking care of 100 calls, and there are 5 or might be 10 calls wherein the person particularly opted the insurance or credit card or whatever it is, which means the conversion rate will be your 10% for that particular day or for particular employee. So in this way you can calculate the conversion rate. So call which gave revenue or successful sales divided by total call handled into 100. Let's move how we can improve the conversion rate in the call center. It's quite easy, guys. The first thing what we have to do here is the employees who are working at a ground level, they should get a proper training, regular refreshers, and focusing on the errors and improve their scores. This is much needed. If their process knowledge is not good, definitely you will get less conversion rate, and they will not able to give the correct answers to the customers. Second, follow up on the pure leads. So what will happen here, if you see, this is an example of outbound calls. So whatever inbound calls will be there, na, there will be auto options, so they will set some options wherein they will purify the pure leads, or they will filter the pure leads, and they will again do outbound call to ask the customer either he purchased that particular insurance or credit card or not, either he is still looking for any information. So we have to do follow up on sort of pure leads as well. Incentives to the agent, that will motivate the agent in leading the impure leads to the pure leads. Definitely the person who are working like the customer care executive should get the incentives or a percentage on the pure leads. Definitely it will motivate him and or her, and it will give you the pure lead. Audits should be done from the quality side on the all the calls or email or chat which are handled, and feedback need to be given to the employees. Proper process knowledge and avoid misleading to the customers. So sometimes what will happen, the agent will tell wrong information to the customer, and that is a misleading which shouldn't be there, because we will lose our potential customers. Focusing on customer satisfaction, call to action option, which means there are multiple websites there you will find a call to action option, which means redirecting to the website, redirecting to the customer form, redirecting to the inquiry form. So we are redirecting to the customer to give his particular information, or else we are taking the information from the customer. Tracking the pure leads and have outbound call, this is the same point which I have mentioned in the up. So this is all about the conversion rate. I hope you got the clear understanding, and you can easily explain in front of the interviewer whenever you get a question on it. For sure, if you're applying for the sales process, insurance, or any of the like revenue generating process, definitely you will get this particular question: what is conversion rate and what is the percentage of the conversion rate which is set by your company. So you have to give these answers very sincerely by looking to all the points. If you did not understood, again rewatch the video, you will get all the information very clearly. So this is all about the conversion rate. I would request everyone to please check out our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook page, and also WhatsApp group. You should join, guys. I'm posting every day 3 to 4 vacancies which regards to the all the opportunities which we actually needed. Please check out, and let me know if you still have any doubt, and don't miss to click on like and subscribe the option. Thanks a lot, have a great day.